When we talk about SEO, there are two main approaches to it. Either you can do it through paid advertising or through content marketing. Paid advertising refers to paying to search engines or social media platforms to attract followers and engagement on your brand, which results in traffic flowing into your website. This also includes using premium tools or techniques to directly increase the views and clicks to your site. This can either be done by setting up those tools on your own or hiring freelancers to set up for you for as cheap as $5 per task from freelancing platforms such as Fiverr or Upwork. Content marketing refers to generating leads and traffic to a landing page or website through publishing tons of content across the internet. The content can be in the form of text, images, animation, or videos, and can be published as quick posts, in-depth articles, YouTube videos, infographics, animation, blog comments, product reviews, or answers to blog questions. The venues for publishing this content include social media channels, blogs, online publications, digital press releases, other partnered websites, and everything else that can basically be counted as digital media. Content marketing is more of an indirect approach to SEO and is generally more effective in the long run. Since it doesn't sound too promotional, it works better in bringing in traffic that is actually going to be interested in what you're trying to sell through your website.